so many options when it comes to these machines. Long bed lengths, got a very low base weight, low centre of gravity, but it's the harmony between the control system and the hardware, because this is a marketplace
Yes.
where you need to deliver quickly.
The machine itself is just so solid, it's doing wonders. Before, similar machine, 1 mil a side cut. This is saying 4.5 mil a side. I'm expecting the insert to last 2 components. We've done 35.
Well, the biggest cuts we've done on that machine was EN24T. It was 6 mil cut with 0.6 rep and 200 meters cutting speed. On 135 mil diameter, it was just, well, going for like a butter.
If there's one thing that I've learned about going out to customers and hearing their reviews on their SMEC machines, it's that these machines are reliable. They do exactly what they need to do.
Very well built pieces of equipment. Dugard have now been supplying these for many years. I mean, it's their staple when it comes to their turn-in centres. This particular model here, SL3500Y, it's got a Y-axis, it's got driven tools, it's got a large capacity. But this isn't just where this range starts and ends. There's so many options when it comes to these machines. Long bed lengths, huge turn-in diameters, twin spindles, all of the things that you'd expect to get with a turn-in centre are available from SMEC.
And for me, I kept on hearing from their customers, it's so reliable, it does what I need it to do. I can just put a piece in then into the machine, and I know and I have the confidence it's going to do exactly what I need it to do. That's what I heard over and over again.
Yeah,
that's what you need.
There's 2 areas of that which probably service that that answer. And the first one would obviously be the build of the machine. These are box guideway constructed machines. They've got a very low base weight, low centre of gravity. All of those things help with the the dynamics and the dampening of vibration when you're machining. And I know there's a company in Essex. I think it's Darren Wilson, I believe. He's actually machining very hard materials, exotic materials, all the time on his SMEC machine.
Yes.
And he'll put his hand on it, and there's no vibration, and you can just feel it's cutting it, like a knife through butter, as some people say. The second thing comes down to the control of the machine. They love the user-friendly interface of the Siemens control. The fact that they can interrogate programs, they can create new programs very easily, but it's the harmony between the control system and the hardware which really does this machine justice. And I think that if you're looking for a solution, whether it be a single spindle or a twin spindle, Dugard will are likely to have one here available from stock.
That was my next question. What is the range like? I know they've got the 3500 LM, and that's a long machine here. This is obviously a lot shorter. What's the range?
Yeah, so you've got I think they've got 1500, a 2000, a 2500, and I think that's about the sweet spot, the 2500. That will be the most popular seller. 10-inch chuck machine, 65 or 76 mil bar capacity, single or sub-spindle machine. That's what they carry here in stock, and that's what's quite interesting, is the fact that you will see a lot of machines in stock here, because this is a marketplace.
Yes.
Where you need to deliver quickly.
Yes.
When someone has a need for a machine, they don't want to wait 6 months, 7 months, 8 months for a machine. You need to be able to go, yeah, I've got one here, and actually it fits all of the criteria that I need, and it's available for delivery. And that's really what Dugard have got here in this machine and many others.
Of course, and also Dugard are investing in their staff members, applications engineers, service engineers on the road looking after you, so when you bought one of these machines, you've got that service behind it.